am going to solve an Excel assignment EXP19 Excel chapter 6 cumulative assessment variation delta paints. In its project description, you are the production manager for Delta Paints, a regional manufacturing company that specialized in customized paints. Your company sells paint by the gallons, and you have the task to forecasting the best production blends to maximize profit and most efficiently utilize resources. If you need help in all online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, and if you need help in the PowerPoint, Excel, Word or assess assignments, or if you need help in the exams, homework or quizzes, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen, or you can contact me on my email address. My email address is given in the description of this video, or you can directly comment on this video, so I will get you soon. Our first step is the start and download Excel chapter 6 cumulative assessment variation delta paints. I have already downloaded and start that Excel sheet. Our second step is the create the appropriate range names for total production and gross profit by selection using the values in the left column. So we will select the B18 as a and go to the we will go to the formula tab. In this we will go to the define names and create. From the selection we will select, and from the left column we will press OK. Now it's assigned its name, and also for B21 we will do the same. We will go to the create from selection, and from left column press OK. So we have assigned the name to this. That is our second step. Third step is edit the existing name employee hourly wage to hourly wages 2021. So we will copy this one and go to the name manager. Here we will select employee hourly wage. We will press edit. We will just retype this one and press OK and close this one. We have updated the range names. That's our third step. Our fourth step is use newly created range name to create a formula to calculate net profit. Net profit is equal to gross profit minus total production cost. So we will go to the net profit. We will press is equal to, we will press gross profit. We will select gross profit minus total production cost and press is equal to, that is our net profit, and that is our fourth step. Create a new worksheet labeled range names. We will select copy this one and make new worksheet. Double click on the sheet name and we press Ctrl V. So we have got our paste newly created range names information in the cell A1 and resize the column as needed for properly display. So we have made two new range names. We will copy this one and paste it in the cell A1 of the new worksheet. In the A1 and adjust the column size That's our fourth step. Our sixth step is on the forecast sheet. Start in the cell E3. We will go to the forecast sheet. We will go to the cell E3. That is our cell E3. Complete the series of substitution value ranging from 10 to 200. We will type 10 in the cell E3. 200 at increment of 10 gallons vertically down E. So we will go here. We have selected this one. We will go to the home tab. We will go to just series. We will select column. Step value is 10 while stop value is 200, and we will press OK. So we have automatically filled the values. That is our sixth step. Our seventh step is enter reference to the total production cost graphs, cost, profit and net profit cell in the correct location F2, G2 and H2 for one variable data table. Use the range names where indicated. So we will just we will press is equal to. In F2 we need to put total production cost. We will select this one and press enter. In G2 we will select the gross profit. And here we will put the net profit. Net profit is the cell B22 and press enter. We have got this one. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is complete the one variable data in the cell ranges E2 to H22 using B4 as a column input cell, and then format the result with the accounting number format with the 2 decimal. So we will select E2 to H22 and go to the data. We will go to the what if analysis. We will go to the data table. We will select column input cell as a cell B4 and press OK. So we have got our results. We will format this one as accounting number with the 2 decimal places and press OK. We have got our results. Accounting number with the 2 decimal places, press OK. That is our accounting number for 2 decimal places. That's our 8th step. Our 9th step is apply custom number format to make the formula reference appear as a descriptive column header. In the F2 total cost, in G2 gross profit and in H2 net profit. Bold and center the heading and substitute value. So we in F2 we will go to the cell F2. That is our cell F2. We will press Ctrl plus 1. We will go to the custom. In this we will select the journal and replace this by total cost and press OK. That is our total cost. And in cell G2 gross profit, we will copy this one. We will do the same thing here. We will press journal and for third one, net profit has to control 1, custom value, we'll go to general, net profit. That's our 9th step. And bold and center the heading, so we need to bold and center the heading. And also substitute value, that is our substitute value. We bold and center these values. That's our 9th step. In our 10th step, copy the number of gallon produced, substitute value from one variable data and then paste it in the cell E24/6. We will copy this one, Ctrl C, and paste it in the cell E26. That is our 10th step. In 11th step, type $15 in the cell F25. We will put F25 as a $15. What we need to do then, complete the series of substitution value from $15 to $14 at $5 increment. So we will go to here, we will go to the series, we will select row, we will select $5 up to $40 and press. In this way we have completed our 11 steps. We have total 25 steps of this assignment. If you need help in the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given in the description of this video, or you can directly comment on my video, so I will reply you soon. If you like my video, you can comment and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.